Looks like they got a bunch of pallets of these concrete stave pieces from the silo that they'll reuse and put up at another farm. He said they were able to salvage 70% or so of them from both of the silos. Looks like some leftover silage. Make for some good fertilizer. Poop?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells like poop, but that's pretty sure that's silage. It's poop now.
Yeah, fine.
Phew, that stuff stinks. Got the piping, the ladder, part of the unloader. And there's where the smaller one was.
Huh? Die?
Conveyor,
Oh, okay.
unloader,
Yeah.
scrap metal now. That junk.
Die?
Not sure what to do with these yet. Might just tear them down or leave them there for looks, or I don't know if they can reuse any of those. Those would have been the first silos that were put up. Who knows how long ago. Got the other one down just about. That was the bigger one. Oh, it smells like a feed yard out here. Ugh. Rotten crap. Rotten silage. Put that stuff out on the beans. They'd really grow. It's too late now. First planted beans look pretty good out here. Pretty good stand. They should be getting sprayed this week for the first time. We didn't spray before we planted, and we've waited until now, after we planted, to spray this field. Field across the road was sprayed already. And that field had to be replanted. Those beans should be up out of the ground. No-till. Soybeans planted in the corn residue. Volunteer corn. John Deere combine was in here last fall, so that's why there's volunteer corn out here. It's a joke. Looking good. This one's just about done. Old feed mill, old grain bin. There's the top of the silo. Some of the unloader, ladder. What do you think, buddy?
Whoa.
Yeah.